Hey, a very good morning. In view of the comment that you see here on the screen, right, in reply to someone that have watched my AliExpress affiliate program tutorial video or saw the comment about being scammed by parties websites claiming that they are in partnerships with AliExpress, right? Again, I see such comment in reply to my videos to help people to understand that if you want to create multiple sources of income online, right, please take some time to do your due diligence in researching either from the internet, or you can interact with those credible online communities with whereby you have a lot of experts to help you identify legitimate online platform like the legit Amazon, AliExpress, TikTok Shop, that affiliate marketing business opportunities, right? You can always interact with inside the community to ask your questions. Um, it's very likely that the experts, right, like some of us, will help you to answer your questions. And at the same time, you can browse. For example, if you're on TikTok, right, you can type the keyword of affiliate marketing or AliExpress business opportunities or that kind of thing, and it will definitely lead you to a lot of short videos that you can find when you are doing this kind of searching here on the social media platform, right? You definitely can find videos that actually have pretty good views and a lot of engagement, like comments or reshare or being saved, right? You can follow all these content creators, right? And one of it would be my may I invite you to follow my channel, which I definitely can give you some credible recommendations or suggestions in regards to such subjects. If you find, right, especially to this person, Esther 426 audience, right, and may I invite you to follow me on my TikTok, and you can, in my TikTok profile, right, you can also get to follow me on my Instagram, which I am Meta verified, and you can also go over to my YouTube, right, and there's plenty of such free resources for you to help you to gain more understanding. And last but not least, I highly recommend you to learn more about attraction marketing strategies and tactics, because the moment you master attraction marketing, the principles behind the attraction marketing, right? In fact, you can sell anything, you can market anything, right? You won't be tied down or being deceived by all these scamming websites. All right. So I will see you in my next video. Do continue to comment, right? I'm most willing to help you address your concerns when I see your comment. So see you in my next video.